Hello, how are you doing guys? I'm Demi. We have set a new big warehouse in Jinhua, China, and we are going to make a video of the warehouse, take shootings in the warehouse. What would you like to watch about the new warehouse? Like how we process orders, how we packing, the quality tracking, anything you want to know, leave a comment, let us know. I will write them down and make the video as your request. We got many questions about delivery time and shipping fees because of the quarantine and increasing shipping costs under COVID-19. Would there be shipping delays and how much time it takes to deliver to the US, to the UK, to Australia and the like? I would like to tell you that there may be some delays, but not for all and not so long as you thought. A few days longer than normal time. But there is one thing I should be frank with you. Dropshipping orders are increasing during the quarantine. The processing time is now made prolonged to 1 to 2 days, while the processing time is in 24 hours if there is inventory in their warehouse. If there is no inventory, it takes several days longer. In order to speed up the processing time, we are now setting up a new warehouse as I mentioned at the beginning of this video. And what makes things worse is the processing capacity of some logistics companies fails the surging orders. They have limits in taking parcels per day, so it is better to inform your customers in advance, whether in your store or via emails, that their orders may delay due to the quarantine. Hereby, I collected some questions regarding shipping and answered them one by one. We got these questions like, how much time it takes to deliver products, how many days to deliver in somewhere, and what's the shipping cost? For all the questions about shipping, we got a very useful widget. You guys should know the widget, which will save you tons of time to get in shipping time and costs. It's the freight calculation. You can easily find it on the right of the searching bar on CJ's homepage. Select the destination country and attribute of the product, input estimated weight and dimension, and select the shipping method. Click to count, then you can get the estimated cost and delivery time. Very simple and easy, right? Find it on the right of the searching bar and have a try. We also got questions like, do you do in Australia? Do you ship to Philippines? And the like. We fulfill orders worldwide and Australia is one of our biggest markets. We are sending parcels to America, Europe, Asia, the Middle East, Africa and Australia. For some remote areas and territories, you could check with the freight calculation. You can check if there are shipping methods for a specific country. If there is no method to a country, it is probably we are not able to fulfill in the area currently. The tracking information of the orders is not synchronized in MyCJ nor in CJ users stores automatically. So sometimes we get questions as, where can I check my parcels? Or how can I tell my customers the tracking numbers? There are two solutions to solve the problem. Number one, you can find the tracking number in MyCJ once the order is processed, and you can check the number on CJpacket.com or other shipping tracking websites as 17check.net. And there is another way to check the parcels. You can spend a little effort to select a Shopify app and set up an automatic synchronized shipping information checking sector in your store where both you and your customers can check in the shipping information. Another common question about shipping is, will you ship different items in one package? Yes, we will put items on one order in one package. This is one of CJ's advantages, which will save your fees and your customers will be happy with this. Questions about our warehouses are also frequently seen on the comments. Here are some common questions. We got questions like, can I place orders through the US warehouse to deliver Brazil? Or can we use US warehouse and ship worldwide? Sorry to disappoint you. The answer is no. Only warehouses in China fulfill worldwide. The US warehouse only fulfills in the USA, and in the same way, Thailand warehouse fulfills in Thailand. As for now, Germany warehouse only fulfills in Germany, and there are only face masks available in Germany warehouse. In the coming future, maybe after the coronavirus is under control, we will open it to European countries. And we are going to export more products to the Germany warehouse. You are welcome to buy a private inventory to the warehouse. Here is a question from Coco. Hi there, is it possible to buy inventory from my supplier and ship them to one of your warehouses? Yes, you can. We provide warehouses and fulfillment service as well. For further information, you can watch the video here. The third topic is questions about how to use the CJ system. We got customers who have no online store but want to buy from CJ Dropshipping. For those customers, we've made a tutorial video of how to place a manual dropshipping order to CJ. Please watch the video here. There are questions like, can CJ be connected to WooCommerce to auto-fulfill orders whenever an order is received? And how can I set up automatic fulfillment so CJ Dropshipping can add the order to cart and charge me automatically for fulfillment? You are able to set automatic fulfillment orders on CJ Dropshipping, and it is a vital function of CJ. In this video, I made a step-by-step tutorial of how to set up automatic dropshipping orders, but we do not set an automatic charge for the security of your payment account. More questions about the payment are like, is there a way to pay automatically, and is it possible to pay the orders in bulk? As to now, we do not set automatic pay, but if you want to pay orders in bulk, we got an advice for you. Just select all the orders you want to pay and add them to cart in bulk. Then the orders will be combined in one payment request. For those new in CJ, we got questions like, do you require an MOQ, or do we need to be doing higher numbers to use your service? We do not require an MOQ, and we can fulfill one order at a time, and anyone can use CJ system for free even with not a single order yet. Some new users don't know where to find our agents. Visit chat.CJdropshipping.com and click Talk with Human. We have serious videos of product recommendations, and we got questions like, can we use these videos as ads? Yes, you can, and we posted the list and links of the products in the video description, and you can download the video on the product page. And some asked, can we get custom photographs about a product? We are surprised to know that many of CJ users do not know about our videos and pictures shooting service. If you want to have custom photos or videos for your product, you can visit videos.CJdropshipping.com and talk to the photographers. That's the end of today's question and answer sharing. Thank you so much for watching, and do not forget to leave a comment on what you would like to see about our new warehouse. Subscribe to us so you will not miss any updates. Leave a like, and I will see you at next video. Bye!